What is up? It's your boy Paul from Darkside Autolab, and I've been getting a lot of comments recently from my friends that I don't show enough installation videos, and the reason for that is we are busy and I just don't have time to set up a camera. I'm going to try to be more diligent at it because I do want to shoot more videos, and I'm also grateful that we're always busy. Fortunately, I have this Chevy Tahoe that came in, and the customer is allowing us to shoot a video of us uninstalling the ambient lighting. I'm just going to say we didn't install it, and installing one of our kits. So one of the first things that I do before I bring the vehicle in is put the seat covers on the customer's seat. So I do the front first, then as I bring it in, I put it into the passenger side. You're gonna see, hopefully, if I can get the camera over there, you're gonna see there's a floor mat over there too. And when we do ambient lighting, right, we do it for all the seats. So they have captain's chairs on this vehicle. We have on that seat over there, having the seat over here. I also put on floor mats here in the middle and on the other side. We're probably not gonna step on this side of we're probably not gonna step on the floor mats because we're working on the doors. On both the backside, so but just in case something falls back there or whatnot, at least it's covered. So that's the first step. Second step is we start disassembly. One thing I forgot to mention is that we do bag everything, so one, it doesn't get lost, and two, it doesn't get dirty. So everything that we remove, from the screws to there's a plastic piece here, we lift up and we put everything in the bag. So this is one of my favorite tools to pop door cards. I mean, I know a lot of people, they'll stick their finger in there and start manhandling it. This makes it so much easier. You just wedge it in there and pop it open. Here, I'll show you. So whoever installed this before decided to use super glue for their installation. I don't know why. You could have just gone ahead and used double-sided tape. But now they're messing with Cowboy and he has to go in and clean it up. So people ask us all the time, why is ambient lighting cost so much? It's because we have to remove all the door cards. We got to install the ambient lighting, put them back on. We have to remove trim, right? So you see this panel is off. The other side where the fuse box is off. We have this trim coming off so we can run the wires. Cowboy's over there extending wires so it can go to the control module. Then we got to put everything back on, test it, make sure it works, make sure it looks good. So here's another thing regarding costs. Some vehicles were able to pin the positive and negative into the switches, and some vehicles were not. So based on this vehicle schematics, the electrical, we had to run the wires to the positive and the negative and extend them. And the reason for that is if we didn't do that and we pinned it to the switches, the lights will stay on. All right, so we're about 80% there. The vehicle is all hooked up. Now we just got to put the pieces back together. And once we're done with that, we're going to test it again to make sure everything works and do a quick check to make sure everything is clean.
Let's go. We ain't slowing down, baby, come and show me how. Gotta do it right now, you know you gotta hold me down. Cannot let the moment pass, good things they never last. Pull up in a whip, you know I had to hit the gas. Yeah, that's premium, pull up with a team and them. Ain't worried about the other side, they know that they ain't beating them on everything I love. Work to the man above, keep it cool, calm, collected. At this point, you get the message. Life is hectic, but we gotta keep it rolling, though. Gotta keep it grooving, keep it moving like we stole it, though. Rolling with the punches, giving hits like we are Interscope. Even though I'm clocking, punching in, I'm independent, though. Staying prayed up, ain't nothing gon' phase us. Ain't never gon' let a lame say what they just made up. I never take a pay cut, we getting what we...
Peace. Till the next one.